Here's how to make a simple script to collect coins. So firstly, start by adding a rigid body component to the player object. Since I'm working in top-down, I don't need the gravity, so I'll keep the gravity scale to 0. Now, add a box collider 2D and set the eAssist trigger to true. What this does is, it stops the player from colliding with other game objects, allowing us to walk into the collectible and picking it up. And optionally, you can also change the size of the collider to fit the visual of the player. Add a collider to the collectible game object too, so the player can trigger it. Assign a collectible tag to the collectible object. Now, make a new C# script which will be put on the player to collect the objects and open it in the code editor. You can code anything you want to be done when the player picks up the object, but I'm going to make it increase the score. So make a new integer variable and name it score. Now, we make a new method with the name on trigger, enter, and since we are working in 2D, we also add 2D after it. We pass in the collider 2D to access the collider of the collectible object. I don't want any object in the scene to trigger the collect action, so we can use the collectible tag we assigned earlier here to check trigger for only the objects the tag. This can easily be done using the compare tag function for the object with the collider attached to it. And when we pick up the object, also destroy it to stop picking it up again. Now back in the editor, put the script on the player object. And that's how you make a simple collect script. Bye.